So yun mga idol, sa sobrang excited natin ayusin yung motor. Hindi ko hindi ko na malaya, nakalimutan ko, wala pala akong napiling gasket, kaya ito. Tiyaga-tiyaga tayo sa pagpupuk-puk-puk-puk-puk-puk-puk-puk-puk-puk dito ng gasket maker. So napunta tayo sa traditional na paggawa. Dahil wala naman tayong nabili. Tsaka medyo malayo na rin kung babiyahe pa. Wala rin tayong pera. Kaya ito, buti na lang may extra tayong ganyan, karton. Bali ano yan, gasket, fiberflex na pang mold ng gasket. So yan, kaya ito, napagtripa na lang natin. Konting tiyaga na lang. Puk-puk-puk-puk. Angaoy. Tumutulo pa yung sipon ko dyan mga idol. Yan, kuyawa kay Uncle of Birra yun kol. Dok yun akol Ala. Sige kol. Dok ka yun akol. Gamit yung kanyang tea. Dok. Siyempre, para hindi siya magalaw-galaw, lagyan mo ng bolt, tugin mo ng bolt yung mga butas yan ganyan, para hindi gumalaw. Perfect na perfect yung pagkagawa mo ng perfect na perfect yung pagkahulma ng gasket pagkaganyan. So ganyan lang din naman yung ginagawa ng mga matatanda noon. Di pa uso yung mga ready-made na gasket. Meron man, so hindi available. Kaya gaya ng nangyari dito, hindi available yung gasket. Hindi ako nakabili. Kaya ganyan lang gawin nyo. Kung in case na magka-problema rin kayo, at least may idea kayo kung paano gawin. So ganyan lang, tugin nyo lang ng bolt yung mga screw, yung mga butas para hindi gumalaw. Then yan, pupuk lang, alalay lang sa lakas. Yung tamang hindi masira yung cover. Yung sakto lang na ilang pukpuk mapuputol yung karton. Alright, so kung gusto nyo na yung biyahin yan, kalukuhan na yan, tarawan na rin yun na. Kaya kung dago na kong pag voice over kay akong sipon, mutulo na po. Alright, ingat.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.